heading back down to the permission. Look at that. Part of it. Another little section. Might clear out sometime. I'm expecting a guest today. Got a bit of a travel, poor old bugger. But you don't mind. So I'm getting down here a little bit early, about half hour early. And then I'm going to do a bit of bushwhacking because it's still a bit chocker down here with bramble and that, and I want to break our entry into the wood a bit better because I don't want him moaning at me and slapping me. Anyway, bring you back later. Well, I'm out on camp here on the permission, and I've got a good friend of mine down here. He'll probably, well, he has said the same on his video earlier, that we've known each other for a long time, but we've never actually met. A bit like pen pals from the 70s for any of you old farts out there. But yeah, I've got Burton Outdoors here with me, and he's now, where is he?
I'm here somewhere. You see me?
He's cooking cooking tea. Oh, like, what is it when you all these professionals cook and they burn they get the flame go? Flambe, that's it. Yeah, he's flambeing our burgers, and he's looking very professional, that man there. Yeah, this is the first time I've actually got the camera out to do anything, or the phone. So it's been a bit lax today. Mr. Burton Outdoors has been a bit more on the ball than me. But I'm going to go now because T will be on the go in a minute, and I'll catch up with you in a jiffy. See you soon. Oh, look at that. From the master chef himself, Burton Outdoors. Thank you, Lee.
No problem,
Thank you for
mate.
doing that, mate.
No problem.
Appreciate that.
It.
Bright light in the eyes.
Yeah, that's
sorry about that. Yeah, look at that. Cheese. What cheese is it?
That's a good question.
I can't remember what you said earlier. You did tell me earlier.
Yeah, no, it's like a creamy, some sort of creamy cheese.
It's cheesy cheese.
Yeah.
If you like cheese, you'll love these.
I don't like cheese, do I normally? So, but I like cheeseburgers.
Cheesy peas.
With a little bit of fresh chilli in it.
Yeah.
And onion.
An onion. Look, all down there. Look at this. Mad. Oh, look at the open L knife. You better keep his eye on that because that might go missing later.
They're so cheap though to buy.
Yeah, £7, aren't they? £7 even on Heine Haynes.
Yeah, which is amazing because this place is expensive.
Yeah, he's well dear there, aren't they? But yeah, all on a little fire there with a grill. And is that an OEX?
Yeah,
pan?
I bought it the other day, 10 quid.
Yeah.
Little pan.
He's not an OEX lover like the English woodsman.
No. Apart from the fact I've got 2 of their sleeping bags and that.
Yeah.
That's all I've got.
But I'm going to eat this, and then actually I might even go over to Lee's setup. I haven't done the setups yet, so we'll see. See, if you heard that, Lee's having a jimmy. I shall see you later, folks. You don't get sizzle like that on Master Shout.
Master Shout.
Poor Lee's cooking his tea now after he's cooked mine.
Yeah, but I had something earlier.
Yeah. And mine's nearly gone, look.
early for me. I don't normally eat till 7ish.
Do you not? Just cooked the steaks, nice bit of ribeye. Don't know whether that's how you like it, but that's how I like it. And Lee's just got a bit charred.
It's good.
But it's nice. Oh. It's 1:40 in the morning and I've not been up this late for a long time, and Burton Outdoors has kept me up talking till this late at night. Yeah. And we've had lots of hot chocolate with secret sauce put into it, thanks to Burton Outdoors. And we're now going to bed, and he's gone to bed in his nice new sleeping bag, which he will no doubt tell you about. So I'm off ski, I'm going to sleep. Good night, Mr. Burton Outdoors.
Good night, Mr. Bourne outside.
See you tomorrow, folks. Talk to you soon. It's 10 to 7. And Burton Outdoors said he'd be up about 5:30. He's not up, because I went out for a pee and he's snoring. He's snoring, the old boy. So I got back in the bed, stuff it. No night. Got the gas on, and he's got his Trangia,
It's a fake one. It's not a real one.
because the fire was warm this morning when we got up, but give it a fan and there was nothing happening with it, just a bit of heat. But now look, she's come back. Would you Adam and Eve it? So, we could have a fry up if we wanted, but we're not. Right, we've all coffeed up or teed up or whatever we had. Chocolate for me and chocolate. And Mr. Burton Outdoors.
Morning.
He had his. Go on, you explain what you had.
I had coffee.
With fair enough, Ski.
I had a Taylor's coffee bag with 3-in-1 coffee in it. So you can get milk in your coffee bag.
In the
without
doodah.
putting milk, yeah.
Nice. I'm going to give that a go myself next time, I think. But I'm going to tidy up my very untidy area compared to Lee's. Obviously, his looks untidy at the moment,
area.
but this is his sleeping bag. But he's a lot more house proud than me. So yeah, we're just going to pack up. I'll quickly show you where we are. This is the area we cleared out. I'll do another one after when we're all tidy, so you can see the footprint that we've got. That's it, all tidied away. As it's a permission, we can leave the fire pit. I'm not leaving this man, he's got to come with me. This is our little area we've done. That's where I was last night. Again, I can just leave that. I might sleep that in next time. I can have that as a pillow, that mound. But yeah, Lee was perched there in his hammock. That tree there and that tree there. We had a little bit of collateral damage, but as Lee mentioned on his video, we're allowed to do it. And yeah, this land will be no more fairly soon. So tiny bit longer than Lee said, but not too much. Yeah, so I'll be back here probably next Friday with any luck, and I might try the tarp tent set up. We're off. off ski. See you another time.
See you later.
Thanks for coming, Lee.
No problem.
No, I
mate.
really appreciate you coming.
Nice to see you.
And now.
Oh! Did you get it?
Yeah. Right. Take care, folks.
Cool, man. Laters.
We're off. before I go fully, this little field bag here, ammo bag, is my prize from Burton Outdoors, where I commented on his last video where he's giving prizes out. Can't remember the name of it, so I'll put a link in when I get back. But yeah, look, and all this is in it as well. Little hip flask, Euro hike, couple of tent pegs which I can do with, some bungees. Here's the tent pegs, I'll keep going out of shot. Notepad, I bet that's a right in the rain type one. Some hand gels, glow sticks. Mentos, why didn't I bring them with me? I'm such an arse. But yeah, that's my prize from Burton Outdoors. Very much appreciated, Lee. Thank you, mate. Part of it. But butter, fuck off. Keep saying butter.